A very good morning to all my YouTube family and my brothers and sisters and all the English inspiring who are watching my video. So today I am here presenting you the simple past tense. So please join with me here. We will learn together the simple past tense today. Okay, so let's come here. Alright, so we have already learned the simple present tense. So today we are going to learn simple past tense. Simple past tense. Past tense means past time, जो बीता हुआ, right? So we use past tense, the action which is already completed. So in Hindi, for your kind information, for you to know better, there is या, ये, ये, we can say here, or था, थे, थी. वो चला गया. So we use या, okay? वो लड़का चला गया. He went. और वो चली गई. She went. और वो चला गया था. He went. और वो चली गई थी. Right? So whatever you use like था, थे, थी अर्थात या, ये, ई. जब सेंटेंस के आखिरी में एंड में था, थे, थी अर्थात या, ये, ई आता है तो we use that is called simple past tense. Okay? So to make simple past tense, first we use subject. Okay, subject is used in everywhere, and we use second form of verb. Okay, we use second form of verb. So verb has three forms: first form, second form, and third form. So like go is the first form, so past tense is went. Okay, go, went. Come, first form. Came is the second form. Take is the first form. Took is the second form. Right? Like do is first form. Do, and did is second form. Right? So to make sentences in past tense, we use all these verbs, second form, not the first form. Okay, we don't use this one, right? So we use second form, like went. We can't say go, we say went. I went there yesterday. She came yesterday. वो कल आई थी. She came yesterday. मैंने नाश्ता कर लिया. I took my breakfast, right? मैंने सारा काम कर लिया. I completed, yeah, I did my homework. Okay, so how to make second form? Go का went होता है, काम का came, take, took, do, did. So there are some regular verbs and some irregular verbs, right? In regular verbs, forms are almost same, second and third form same. Played, 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 right? Or like apologized, 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 recognized, recognized, recognized. That means second and third form is same. So they are called regular verbs. And the verb which have different second and third form, like do, did, done, come, came, come, take, took, taken, we can call them as irregular verbs. I will make next video for complete regular and irregular verbs, but today I am teaching you past simple tense, right? So how can you know that the sentence is past tense? You see here or not? Simple past tense is used to denote an action done in the past. जो भी काम past में हुआ, कल हुआ, परसों हुआ, पिछले साल हुआ, तो we use past tense, right, in this sentence. So these are the timings. ये timing है, आपको learn करना है. Past tense या like yesterday. If you are talking about yesterday, कल के बारे में बात करना हो, तो you have to use past and present tense, right? Last night, last month, last year, last week, this morning, आज सुबह, once एक बार, ago पहले, before पहले, right? Once upon a time, एक जमाना की बात है. One day, एक दिन. Day before yesterday, परसों, कल हो गया yesterday, परसों क्या हो गया day before yesterday. These all are the times that indicate the given sentence in past tense, right? So let's talk about affirmative sentence, means positive sentence. How can you make a positive sentence in past tense? Okay, let's do here. So I went there last week. I went there. You see, last week is a past tense, right? It indicates the past time. So I go there last week नहीं होगा, क्या होगा? I went there last week. So went is a second form here, right? Second form of go is went. So I went there last week. पिछले हफ्ते भी वहाँ गया था. It rained last night. कल रात बारिश हुई थी. So rain होना, बारिश होना, rained, बारिश हुई थी. कब की बात हो रही है? कल रात, last night. It means past tense, right? Third number, we studied in this college. हम लोग इस कॉलेज में पढ़ते थे. या हमने इस कॉलेज में पढ़ा. We studied in this college, right? Fourth number, you broke the chair. Like break, तोड़ना, broke तोड़ दिया. आपने तोड़ा कुर्सी. किसने तोड़ा? आपने कुर्सी तोड़ा. You broke the chair, right? You taught us English. Teach First one क्या है इसका? teach, teach, taught, taught, right? This is regular verb. You taught us English. आपने हमें अंग्रेजी पढ़ाई, right? You taught, teach का second form taught हो गया. You taught us English, right? Next, she sang an old song. Sing, sang, sung, right? Sang is the second form of sing. उस लड़की ने, उसने पुराने गीत गाए. She sang an old song, right? So these are all the second form, right? Went, studied, taught, rained, broke, sang. We use all second form, right? In the affirmative, in the positive sentence. So let's do here. Okay, let's practice here for your better understanding, better getting into this sentence. So they dashed cricket last Sunday. पिछले Sunday उन्होंने क्रिकेट खेला. Okay, play is the first form, right? Play is the first form. Second form is क्या होगा? They dashed cricket last Sunday. पिछले Sunday उन्होंने क्रिकेट खेली या खेला. क्या बोलेंगे? Yes, they played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. E-D लग जाएगा, right? They played cricket last Sunday, right? Very good. What is it? Played. P-L-A-Y-E-D लिखना है आपको यहाँ पे, ठीक है? They played cricket last Sunday. Number 2. I dashed up late this morning. आज सुबह में देर से उठा था. तो wake up उठना होता है, तो उठा. Second form of wake is. So what the answer? Please you tell me the answer here. Yes, I woke up. W-O-K-E. I woke up late this morning. Good. Third number. I dash rupees 10k, 10,000 a month. Then means तब मैं monthly 1000 रुपए, 10,000 रुपए कमाता था. Earn means कमाना होता है. Second form is ed लग जाएगा. Earn. Yes, correct. I earned rupees 10k means 10,000 per month. Okay. Next, fourth number. We dash a new car last week. Buy होता है खरीदना. So second form क्या होगा? हमने पिछले महीने last month पिछले महीने नई गाड़ी खरीदी. We buy के क्या होगा? Bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. We bought a new car last month, right? Okay. Fifth number. My dad dashed his job last year. Leave होता है छोड़ना. मेरे पापा ने पिछले साल जॉब छोड़ दिए. My dad left, right? My dad left his job last month. Left. Good. They dashed absent yesterday. Be. Okay. Be का past tense हमने क्या पढ़ा था? Be verb, was verb, right? तो मेरे पापा ने this one. They dashed absent yesterday. Be का second form was were होता है, तो they के साथ क्या आएगा? Were. They were. W-E-R-E. They were. W-E-R-E. अगर single होता तो was होता, right? They were absent yesterday. कल वो लोग absent थे, right? So it means that in past tense we use all the verbs in second form, right? So you have to learn all the second forms, right? You should know the second form of all the verbs, so that you can make the sentence very easily. So today we learned the past indefinite tense, simple past tense, only like affirmative sentences. So we will learn like a negative and interrogative in the next video. So thank you very much. So today this is another class. Okay, thank you. Take care. Goodbye.